guys, welcome back. Been out here working on the Valiant this week and got a few things done. Still have a little bit more to do, but went ahead and swapped a wire on the relay for the fan since the fan wasn't working. Found that and went ahead and wired the line lock, put a switch in the cab. So we have a line lock now, and the switch is right here for now. That's where we decided to put it for now. We need to block this off, maybe put a stereo in it later on, but this is run directly back to the battery. And also went ahead and ran the FiTech all the way back to the battery like it should. So still got some stuff right here. This is for the MSD, the power and ground for the MSD. And here we have the line lock and the FiTech wire run all the way up to the front. Decided to put the MSD box in the glove box, so that box is out, the little cardboard thing here. It's all falling apart anyways, and as you can see, some wires there that was cut off of the MSD box. So I don't like all those. I don't like the way they just have the wires coming out of here hardwired. So ended up buying a weather pack. See, there's like 5 of them for like 16 bucks or something. And I still need to do the other side into the car, but I'm waiting until I get all my wires measured out. So down here we have the power, like you saw coming from the back, have the power wire, ground wire, and then the coil wires going into the engine bay, into the coil, the FiTech wire that goes to the white wire on the MSD. And I still need the trigger for the MSD to turn it on with key on power. So I'm gonna start working on that. And the bracket that I made, super simple right here, flat piece of metal I just cut out to fit around where the glove box could close. So it'll go in the glove box this way, and a support bracket. Didn't put one over here, didn't think it was necessary, and also the wiring for the MSD is coming right out here, so I didn't want it to interfere. But I think this is going to work out good. Also have the insulators that are going to go on there. So that's the gist of it. We're trying to get ready for Cars and Coffee tomorrow, hopefully, and tomorrow night to go to Southeastern Gassers in Holt, Florida. So I'm going to try to get all that done, get this done today, so we can hopefully do all that stuff tomorrow. And also need to go out driving a lot today, if possible, and get the thing tuned right. So I'm gonna get to work. See you guys back in a bit. Well, I got done everything I wanted to do. So wired up the line lock, put some covering over this stuff, just trying to make it look as good as possible. That's mediocre, but also got the MSD hooked up to the coil. So now we have MSD running the coil, but FiTech still running the distributor. So go ahead and show you the MSD right here in the glove box with that 6-pin connector. And then there's a little valley on the inside of the dash, and the wires just run in the valley just like the stock wires, and then over the steering column and through the firewall and the little grommet that's over there that we've been using. And I ran the power and ground directly to the battery. I need to secure this, but this is power and ground for the MSD box. And then back here, it's fused, attached. So I have the FiTech, the line lock, and the MSD all running back here and fused. There's a fuse for the FiTech at the FiTech unit, but also put one back here. So we've got like 15 foot of hot wire, so if that somehow rubs through anywhere and grounds, then it'll pop this fuse back here. But I still need to buy some covering for this and just make it look cleaner. I couldn't find any 3/4 at the store, so just still need to cover all this up, and whatever we decide to do with the flooring, rubber mat, carpet, whatever, I'm not sure, hadn't got there yet, but eventually. And then there is a seal plate that covers this up, covers this wiring on the driver's side from the factory, and then we have our kick plates that also need to go on. But looks good. Needs to be covered though. I mean, I just don't want it exposed like this. So anyways, everything's done. So let's go ahead and throw the key. Coffee tomorrow, but just don't know. Sounds good. Town tomorrow. Might as well do a couple miles real quick, make sure she's running good. Like I said, we're gonna try to do cars and coffee in the morning. We might make it there, we might not. Who knows? Appreciate it. First year. Car's slowing down in front of me. so that is our best ride ever. When I was doing that rip down the parkway, got a little blow by. We had some smoke in the cab, but she's running good. Making good power. Everything feels good. And we're gonna take it to Cars and Coffee in the morning. We'll see if we make it there, but I think we're gonna be fine. But short video today. Getting wiring done, just getting car done. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.